So today's tip of the day is never expect overnight riches. Never expect to be a millionaire overnight. So a lot of people come to the market and be like, okay, this is my way to financial freedom. And I thought so too. Like, I wanted to get rich in a year or in like 6 months. And that's not true. Like, the hard lessons you'll learn in time is that the market has a very unique way of disciplining everyone, the most egoistic person to the most humble person. The humble person will get more humbler, but the market will teach you lessons on how to be patient, how to be kind, how to respect what the market has to offer to you. So keep that in mind while you trade. Never, never, and ever, try to get rich quickly in the market. So it'll teach you, and then it'll gradually let you get rich in time, and that's how you learn from the market. So the mindset that you should keep in mind is trade small and trade through mechanical approaches without emotions into the picture. And if you do that, you'll avoid your accounts getting blown out. A lot of traders, 95% of the traders end up losing money. And that's because they want to get rich quick, and they want to basically double and triple their accounts without really investing time and energy into learning how the system works and how can you get more profitable from it. So keep that in mind, and I hope this was valuable to you. Stay tuned for another tip coming up very soon.